Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use cheat codes in Unturned in 2021. So what you first want to do is head over, first thing I'm going to be showing you is how to spawn object. So what you want to do is head over and press J on your keyboard. Now to spawn objects, you want to go at give and then type in your username. But this is obviously going to be different for you. You just type in your username, then go slash, and then you can Google different IDs. All you have to say is go unturned ID list. So you want to go, I want to make some torches, so that's 361. And then you want to, if you want to spawn more than one, you go 361 times and then slash again how much you want. So we're going to do 4. Press enter. See, they spawn. Oh crap, can I just get back on the dock here? So it's literally that simple. Vehicles, it's a bit different. Let me show you how to do vehicles. So if you want to do vehicles, you go at vehicle and then go your Steam username. There's typo. And then go slash the vehicle you want. So just Google unturned vehicles ID, and you'll get. And all you have to do is type in this and then the ID, and it works basically the same. So yeah, guys, that's basically all you have to do. So that's about it. It's pretty easy. So if you want to learn to do this, you've just have.